Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best birthday gifts for a friend. The Willow Tree Friendship Keepsake Box. Forever True, Forever Friends Edition. This beautifully crafted keepsake box isn't just a decorative piece. It's a heartfelt expression of friendship, perfect for anyone looking to celebrate those special bonds in life. Right from the moment you see it, the Willow Tree Friendship Keepsake Box stands out with its elegant simplicity and meaningful design. The box is made from hand-painted resin, showcasing a bas-relief carving on the lid that captures the tender connection between best friends or sisters. This carving is actually based on an original hand-carved piece by artist Susan Lordy, who works out of her Kansas City studio. Each figure she creates is sculpted with careful attention to emotion, expressed through subtle body language rather than facial features, which makes this piece uniquely touching. The box measures a compact 3 by 3 by 2 inches, making it a perfect size for holding small treasures, jewelry, or keepsakes that remind you of treasured memories with loved ones. Inside the box, you'll find a heartfelt message about friendship printed on the bottom, making it a hidden surprise that adds a special touch to the gift. One of the great things about this keepsake box is that it comes packaged in a fitted box ready for gifting, so it's easy to present without any extra wrapping needed. Its cream color and matte finish give it a timeless and modern look that fits seamlessly on a shelf, table, or mantelpiece. Cleaning and caring for the Willow Tree box is simple. Just dust it gently with a soft brush or cloth. The resin material is water-resistant but should be kept away from cleaning solvents to maintain its beautiful hand-painted finish. This keepsake box is more than just a container, it's a symbol. It represents a memory you want to keep close or an emotion you want to cherish. The artist Susan Lordy describes willow tree pieces as a way to express feelings and memories through art, making it an ideal gift for birthdays, anniversaries, or any occasion where you want to show someone how much they mean to you. Whether you're looking for a meaningful present for your best friend, sister, or someone who holds a special place in your heart, the Willow Tree Friendship Keepsake Box is a thoughtful choice. It combines artistry, sentiment, and functionality into one beautiful keepsake that will be treasured for years. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in more unique gift ideas, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Until next time, happy gifting!